Trick.
It's a TNPB.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just want to show everybody the progress of the wide body twin turbo 4.3 liter. So we got the Demon graphics on the hood. Panels done on the front, hood done. Got the rear panel stretched out, painted. The spoiler still need to be wet sanded. Got the roof fixed. Still got it's kind of dirty. Got dirt and compound splat on it. Got one rim painted. Still got to do the other rims. Still got to replace that side skirt extension with the magic drift. So what I'm been going with is the like I said, I'm going with twin mount rear turbos. The forged internals are from Super 6 Motorsports. My compression ratio is 9.5, a 9-to-5 ratio. Forged pistons, forged rods, 4.2 liter Ford F-150 crank and block. Block's gonna be bored out 20 over. I got turbo cam from Comp Cams. We got 42 pound injectors from American Muscle. I'm waiting on my 8.8 rear end. It's gonna be a self-contained oiling system in the trunk. So the oil is not gonna come from the motor, but it's gonna recirculate back into the same system. Not with the engine oil, but it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna be self-contained in the trunk. Here's the bumper. Painted and wet sanded. Get a good angle. It's just a regular bumper with the Mach 1 delete. So that's about it. Little sneak preview. I'm gonna try to do more videos. I was gonna do videos of the process, but hey, kind of hard to do that with the one hand. So yeah, this I airbrushed that onto the hood, the vents. See, it's kind of dirty, so like I said, I'm gonna do another compound and polish on it probably before I bring it out. But so that's it for the sneak preview.